All right, here we go. Question number 12 from our 1316 homework number 3 in MyLab Math. They want us to use a calculator to find the value of the expression rounded to 2 decimal places. So here we have the inverse secant of -7, and I'm going to show you what you have to do to convert this into something that we can input into a scientific or graphing calculator. Remember that an inverse trig function equals an angle. The next step is to bring the inverse secant to the other side, which is going to give me -7 equals, now it's just secant of theta. And then we're going to use our reciprocal identities, okay? If I flip -7, that's going to make it -1/7. If I flip secant over, that's going to turn into cosine. Remember, cosine and secant are reciprocal functions. And then what I can do is I can bring the cosine back to the other side, and it will become inverse cosine. Okay? So whatever this angle is, it's going to be the inverse cosine of -1/7. And now we can bring up our scientific calculator and do inverse cosine of -1/7. And that's going to give us 1.71 rounded, okay? 1.71 rounded correctly. So if I stop there, I think I would be cheating you out of some learning. So let's also bring up our DESMOS and show you that DESMOS can do this in one step. If we go to our keyboard and to functions, you actually do have an inverse secant function, and then you can just put in the original problem. Look at that, and notice it gives you the answer that we got on our scientific calculator. So there's now 2 ways to figure this out electronically, okay? So 1.71 rounded should be correct. And we're done. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.